Hi everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to solve problems involving finite geometric series. Before I continue, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you. Let's begin with this one, the formula that we will be using. So our a sub 1 there is the first term of the sequence, our r is the common ratio, and the n is the total number of terms that we will be adding in a given geometric series. Obviously, s sub n is the sum, and just a reminder, r cannot be equal to 1. Let's begin with this example. What is the sum of the first 7 terms of 3, 6, 12 until the 7th term? So basically, what we are doing here is we are adding those terms. Now, in the formula, okay, I will write the formula here. There you go. So that means we need to know, or we need to identify the first term of the sequence. Here, it's equal to positive 3. We need to know also r, which is the common ratio of the sequence, and we can determine that by dividing 6 and 3, which is equal to positive 2. And then finally, we need to know n. Here it's 7. Okay. So after we identify these 3 variables, the next thing we will do is just plug them in the formula. So our first term is 3. 1 minus 2 raised to 7 all over 1 minus 2. This is 3 minus 3 times 1 minus 2 raised to 7 is equal to what? 128 divided by negative 1. So I think we can divide 3 and negative 1. That's negative 3 times negative 127. So negative 127 times negative 3 is equal to 381. Okay, let's go to the next example. Solve negative 3 plus 12 minus 38 until the 13th term. So again, I will write the formula first. Okay, our first term here is negative 3. Our common ratio is 12 over negative 3, which is equal to negative 4. And our n is equal to 13. That's our n. Okay. So this is equal to negative 3 times 1 minus negative 4 raised to 13 divided by 1 minus negative 4. Okay. So I have negative 3, 1 minus negative 4, that's going to be plus, so this is equal to 5. So 1 minus negative 4 raised to 13 is negative 67,108,864. Okay, so this is equal to, this is going to be plus, right? So that means this will be equal to negative 3 times 67,108,865 divided by 5. And obviously that is divisible by 5. So we just need to divide 67,108,865 by 5. And this is equal to negative 3 times 13,421,773. Okay, so multiply that to negative 3. So it will be equal to negative 40,265,319. Okay, let's go to the next problem. So what is the sum of the geometric series 4 plus negative 12 plus 36 until 26,244? Okay, so let's use the formula again here. I will write the formula again. Okay. Raised to 1 minus r. So we need to know the first term, which is 4. Our common ratio here is negative 12 over 4, which is equal to negative 3. So we have the common ratio, we have the a sub 1 or the first term, but what's missing here is n, the total number of terms that we are adding. Okay, so what are we going to do? Well, so that means we need to find n. And how are we going to do that? We will use the formula for finding the indicated term in a geometric sequence. Okay, which is this one. Okay, so what's our first term? It's 4. Okay, what is our common ratio? That's negative 3 raised to n minus 1. And what is our an here? Okay, that is our a sub n, 26,244. Okay, so from here we will divide both sides by 4 first. Okay, so 26,244 divided by 4 is 6,561 equals negative 3 raised to n minus 1. So here, what we will be doing is we need to express 6,561, okay, in exponential form, and the base should be negative 3, should be equal to negative 3. Okay, so what is that? Negative 3 raised to what equals 6,561? We're looking for the exponent. What do you think? Okay, that is right. It's equal to positive 8. So we can disregard the base. Now we have 8 equals n minus 1. Solving for n, that is equal to 9. Okay, so now we have the a1, the first term. We have the common ratio and the total number of terms in the sequence. So we just need to use all of them and substitute them to the formula. This is 4 times 1 minus negative 3 raised to 9 divided by 1 minus negative 3. Okay. And this is equal to 4 times 1 minus, okay, what's negative 3 raised to 9? Okay, it's negative 19,683 over, this is plus, that's 4. This is plus also. I think we can cancel the 4. That will give us the final answer, which is 19,684. Okay, so that is S sub 9. Okay, so let's go to the last example now. The sum of the first 6 terms of a geometric sequence is 4,095. What is the first term if the common ratio is 4? So here what's missing now is the first term of the sequence. Given that the sum of those terms, the first 6 terms, okay, is equal to 4,095, and our common ratio is 4. Okay, so we have this formula. The first term is 4,095. Oh, sorry. The sum of the first 6 terms is 4,095. Our first term is we don't know. We need to solve for that. So 1 minus r raised to n, which is 6. So 1. Why is it r? It should be 4. 1 minus 4. So there, that's our n, the 6. Okay. So this is 4,095 equals, this is negative 3. A1 times 1 minus 4 raised to 6 is equal to 4,096 6. Okay. So here we can subtract the 2. So that's not 4096. 4096. Okay, so this is A1 times negative 4095 over negative 3. This is 4095. So next step is every time we have an equation, we just need to multiply both sides by whatever the denominator is. Okay. So 4095, okay, times negative 3. That's negative 12,285 equals negative 4095 times A1. And obviously the next step here is divide both sides by negative 4095. Okay. And that is equal to, okay, that is equal to positive 3. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Okay, there you go. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please, again, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.